Sometimes the change in weather, flowering seasons, allergies and dust send us into a sneeze attack. No worries, you don't have to waste money and time on a doctor's visit. You can create your own green pharmacy. Here are 6 home garden plants with recipes to help treat a cold. Dodpatre or Indian borage. Eat a leaf directly to soothe a cough or grind a few leaves into a paste. Mix it with a little water and honey and drink it. It's great for congestion and a sore throat. Tulsi or Ocimum sanctum. To get rid of a cough and cold, take 1 cup of water and add tulsi leaves and a small piece of ginger. Boil this mixture over slow heat till the quantity comes down to half. Drink this at least twice a day. It can be given to kids too. Adasoge or Adatoda vasica. Take about 6 to 7 leaves of Adatoda and boil it in a large vessel of water. Switch off the flame and inhale the steam to get the phlegm out and clear a chest congestion. Pippali or Piper longum. Take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger and 1/8 teaspoon of pippali. Mix it in 1/4 cup of warm water and add 1 teaspoon of raw local honey. It's great for cough, cold and congestion. Piper or Piper nigrum. Black pepper is antibacterial in nature and therefore helps to cure cold and cough. A teaspoon of honey with freshly crushed pepper does the trick. It also helps to alleviate chest congestion often caused due to pollution, flu or a viral infection. Spearmint. Boil a few spearmint leaves in water and add some jaggery. This tea is great for soothing a sore throat. If you'd like to know more, get in touch with us at UrbanMali.com. You could also write to us at vandana@artyplants.com or call us at 9535025938. Have a green pharmacy. You can reduce your doctor's bills by 30%.